Hey everyone, welcome to Cyber-Theo. Today, I'm showing you the easiest way to transfer files between your devices. Let's get started. First, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This will allow for a faster and smoother transfer. On your sending device, open a cloud storage app like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Upload the file you want to transfer. On your receiving device, open the same cloud storage app and log into the same account. Locate the uploaded file and download it. If you prefer, you can use Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both devices, pair them, and then send the file from one device to the other using the Send via Bluetooth option. Alternatively, you can use a USB cable. Connect the devices, select File Transfer Mode, and drag and drop the files between them. And that's it. You've successfully transferred files between your devices. For more quick tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cyber-Theo.